Republic Day wishes to all my Indian friends out there. It was a beautiful day and I was looking to find a suitable spot, but I found fresh radish straight out of the fields. Coming back to the video, I got an update from Vishnu that Vijaywada passenger was seen with an Offlink. Offlink was a special one, and with that it brought few additional load as well. The regular link for this train is an electric loco. I came to Dodbalapur to specially capture this rare combo. Why Dodbalapur, you might ask? This passenger is known for running late pretty badly, so I had to come this far to make sure that I can catch the train in daylight. I finally settled down at this location to capture. It was not one, but three ALcos together. Obviously, the second and third ALco were in shutdown condition. GTL ALcos were the X-link of this train, before electric locos took over. I then decided to head back home, and an honk made me stop. It was the Garib Rath Express to Secunderabad with Kazipet WDG-3A. Lucky to spot another ALco. I planned to return back again the next day to capture the return of the Offlink ALco with the Bangalore Kant Vijaywada passenger. It was a cold and windy morning, and as expected, the loco arrived. The love for ALcos made me capture these videos. Hope you all enjoyed this video and thanks for watching.